Welcome to the Bag Hag Digest. Hello beautiful bag lovers, it's Trina and welcome back to my channel. Ooh, a little wind here, right near the chimes. I'm in beautiful Ontario, Canada on vacation staying with my parents at the moment, and it's all been about Coach for some reason on this vacation. I'm going to take you through some shots of the mall we went to, the outlet, factory outlet, where I didn't find anything really. I was looking for the Tabby or the Cassie to check out those models, but of course the factory outlet tends to deal when it comes to the retail line with models from the previous year, and the Cassie and the Tabby are currently new on the line. So nothing was to be found. I did find some good Rogues for sale, but they're kind of heavy. And actually today I'm talking to you about another heavy bag that I found in my mother's cupboard. It's been there for 20 years and it's still in perfectly new, unused condition. It's a bag called the East-West Gallery Tote, and I purchased this, about 20 years ago on eBay, thinking it would be a lot lighter and a lot bigger than it actually is, and that is why I've never used it. It's a cute little tote, but for the size that it is, I found it too heavy. It's beautiful leather, beautiful patent leather, nice design, but it doesn't quite hold as much as I want it to. And the other reason I decided to not wear it is because the zipper comes open all the way and then it's a pain to open it up again. So I didn't like the access point for the zipper. I've got it stuffed right now with some garbage really. I went shopping today and bought some other stuff. Oh, here. The Gallery Tote from Coach is not part of their retail line. It's from the factory outlet line, and I've never been a fan of that particular line. The models there are made for the factory. I don't know when that practice started of having products made for factory outlets. Back in the day, I remember going to the Coach factory outlet and there was no such thing as products just made for the factory. They were just products from the previous year or ones that had some sort of defect, and I used to love finding steals when I went to those outlets. But nowadays, I think 90% of the stuff they sell in the factory outlet are bags and other products that are actually made for the factory. So I don't know if they're lesser quality or not, but my suspicion is they kind of are a little bit. I do think this is a very nice quality bag, but I think it could be a lot better. If you're interested in this bag, you can probably find it on eBay or Poshmark or other such sites. I'll put a few links below if I can find them. They retail between $40 and $90, maybe a bit more, maybe a bit less, depending on what the condition is, who the seller is, and what the color is. But if they're anything like this, they're still a good bag, in good condition. But again, don't like the zipper, don't like the size, and it's a little bit heavy. And the other issue I have with this bag is that the straps are, of course, a little too short for me. I like to be able to comfortably put in my bag so that the elbow hasn't got any problems getting in there, so I can put it over my shoulder. So for me, this is a little too short, but for other people it might be good. It does have a nice closure on the side, but I don't find I ever use that. When I did use it, on both sides, and it does have two compartments on the inside to put in your cell phone or other small essential, and a zippered section on the side, and then just a big open section in the middle. So there you go. That is the black patent leather Coach East-West Gallery Tote bag. And now, my lovelies, let us head out to the Coach factory outlet and see what's available. Come on. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Merci. That's it for today. Bag Hag signing out.